We know that friction depends on two factors. One is the area of the surface and other is weight of the body. By this, first we know about the how the area of the surface affect the.
Let us learn the effect of area of contact on frictional force. To prove this experiment, we require the apparatus, box, a spring and a spring balance. First, take a box and tie the spring around the box like this. Then put it on a plane. Take a spring balance. In spring balance, the spring is stretched by the applied force. The stretched length of the string is directly proportional to the force applied. So, it gives the reading of applied force directly in newtons. Now, tie the hook of the spring balance like this to the box. Then, pull down the box. By using some applied force, when the box starts moving, note down the reading. It is here 1.5 newtons. So, at 1.5 newtons applied force, the box started moving. It means the frictional force between the plane and the box is 1.5 newtons in opposite direction. Then immediately remove the hook and turn down the box like this. In this situation, the contact area is reduced before the condition. Then attach the hook like this and repeat the same experiment. Start to pull down the box. When box is moving, note down the reading. It shows 1.50 newtons again. 1.50 newtons again. It means here also the frictional force between the contact area and the plane is 1.5 newtons in opposite direction. According to this experiment, when we change the contact area, frictional force does not change or frictional force remains same. Thus, the frictional force does not depend upon the contact area of the plane.
The same way as in the first experiment we saw, now how the friction depends on weight. First you take the 1 kg body, they see the friction. Again you put another 1 kg body on this body, then 2 kgs become, then how the friction increases by pulling the spring balance, we can see it. This also we see the in experiment now.
About the effect of normal force on frictional force. To prove this experiment, we require the apparatus, a box, a string and a spring balance. First, take a box and tie the string like this. Then put it on a plate. Now, take a spring balance. In this spring balance, by applied force, the string is stretched like this. The length of stretched string gives the reading of applied force in newtons directly. Now, hook the spring balance to the box like this. Start to pull down the box. When it started to move, note down the reading. if you observe, the reading is 1.50 newtons. 1.50 newtons. This means when we apply the force of 1.50 newtons, the box started to move. This means the frictional force between the plane and the box is 1.5 newtons in opposite direction. Now, press your hand on the box and start to pull down the box. When the box started to move, note down the reading. Here, the reading is 2.25 newtons. 2.25 newtons. This is because when we press our hand on the box, the normal force between the plane and the box is increased by the pressure of our hand. Thus, it increases the frictional force between the box and the plane. So, when we increase the normal force, the friction force also increases. Thus, we can say that the normal force is directly proportional to the frictional force.